In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand spanking new Google Sheets spreadsheet from the Chrome address bar. We'll cover two quick and reliable ways to get a fresh spreadsheet in seconds. First, the super fast shortcut from the Chrome address bar. Then, the classic route using the Google Apps menu. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Google account in Chrome. The .new shortcut creates files in the account you're currently using, so this helps ensure your spreadsheet lands in the right Google Drive. Start by opening Chrome and heading to the Google homepage. You don't actually need to use the page itself, but it's a convenient place to be for the alternate method. Click once in the address bar at the very top of the browser. You can also jump straight there with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac. Now type sheet.new, all one word, and press Enter. That's it. In a moment, a brand new, untitled Google Sheets spreadsheet opens in a new tab. No template selection, no extra clicks. It's automatically created in your Google Drive, and every change you make is saved as you go. If you want to stay organized, you can rename it right away by clicking the title at the top, though that's completely optional. If you prefer the menu route, or you're already on a Google page, look to the top right corner and click the 9-dot grid icon to open the Google Apps launcher. From there, select Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home screen, where you'll see recent files and available templates. Click Blank Spreadsheet, and you'll arrive at the same clean, empty sheet, ready for your data, formulas, and formatting. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If sheet.new doesn't respond, double-check the spelling. There's no space, and it ends with .new. If you're managing multiple Google accounts, glance at the profile icon in the top right of the page to confirm you're in the correct account before creating the file. If you're prompted to sign in, complete that first and try again. And if you love the speed of this trick, consider bookmarking sheet.new or adding it to your Chrome shortcuts, so a fresh spreadsheet is always just one click away. That's all there is to it. You now know the fastest way to spin up a brand new Google Sheets spreadsheet from the Chrome address bar, plus the alternative via the Apps menu. Happy spreadsheeting!